Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though the pressure from the social media community and the article legal team and the world in general has finally been brought to bear on this alleged electoral panel that's been constituted by Malam Buhari, and it looks as though we have succeeded in getting this woman, who is the head of the Buhari electoral tribunal panel, to step down. So ladies and gentlemen, I bring you this. Justice Bakachua withdraws from Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. So again, Justice Bakachua withdraws from Presidential Election Petitions Tribunal. So now here is the body of the story. It is quite a short and succinct story, so let's just get into it. The chairman of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, Justice Zainab Bakachua, has withdrawn from the tribunal. This comes after the PDP, in a petition before the tribunal, asked her to withdraw herself from the tribunal on the grounds that she has some affiliation with the ruling party, APC. The PDP alleged that Justice Bakachua is the wife of Adamu Bakachua, a prominent card-carrying member of the All Progressive Congress and a senator-elect for Bauchi North Senatorial District, which is a political party involved in the suit. Announcing her withdrawal from the 5-member panel of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, Justice Bakachua said, "I have allowed on the application urging me to recuse my membership of the tribunal to test the position of the law. Now that the application has been dismissed on account of incompetence, I hereby announce my withdrawal from the panel. The remaining 4 members of the panel would remain whilst steps will be taken to appoint my replacement." So it looks as though this woman has actually now decided to recuse herself. I say she has decided to recuse herself. Of course, she has been pressured to recuse herself because the Malam Buhari regime, of course, is trying to give their second term Majo abracadabra magic trick that they did with Mahmoud Yakub, rather some legitimacy. But of course, this is a whole sham. So this woman has been forced to step down, but she said she's tested the law first to see if there was a legal position that would have forced her down, but no legal position forced her down. But she has decided, out of the largesse of her heart and out of a sense of national duty, to step down, hogwash, all of that. She has been pressured and she has been stepped down. Buhari has made that phone call that, "Madam, please go back to the kitchen," because as you know, Malam Buhari thinks that women belong in the other room. This is not me putting words in his mouth. This is a direct quote from the man. So now, Justice Bakachua has now stepped down. So who now is going to replace her in the panel is the next question, because you can bet your bottom dollar that Malam Buhari is only going to put another apologist to replace her. Somebody that is even more fervent, somebody that is even more full amazed, and somebody that is even more jingoistic. But it would then be difficult then for the PDP to then say this second person that they've then put in place is also a Buhari sympathizer, because that would be crying wolf twice. So this is now the bluff that they have called of the PDP, and this is now the set play. So conversations in the comment section. Justice Bakachua, the APC wife, stepped down from the electoral tribunal panel, but this of course is a chess play as far as I'm concerned from the Malam Buhari regime. What is your reading though? This is what my interest is really. So conversations in the comment section, as I said. But before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a video. Then come let me know what you think in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.